Good morning, students. This is our new lesson Save Water, Save the World from Roots and Wings. As we all know that water is very important for our life. Without water, we cannot survive. So, it is our duty to save water. If we save water, we can save our world. So, let us see what this story is about. So, children, as we all know that water is precious for our survival on this planet. It is essential for all living things. Many a time we waste water mindlessly. In the following story, the writer draws your attention to one of the most important things in our everyday life, and that is water. So let's see what is the story. Roshan woke up early than usual, got ready, and left for school. He was waiting eagerly for this day. After all, he would meet his friends. After the long summer holidays, there was so much to tell them. He met his best friend Sadiq at the gate and smiled. Hi Sadiq, how were the holidays? What did you do during the vacation? Sadiq had a broad grin. Oh, wonderful! I was here throughout the vacation. My sister and I joined karate classes and learned quite a lot about different cakes and punches. So, see, children, the story is about water. So, let's see what is important, what has been shown in this story. So, this paragraph which I read, in this paragraph there is a small boy, you can see in the picture also, his name is Roshan. So he, now his summer vacation is over, now his school has begun. So he was very curious to go to school, so he woke up earlier than usual just to get to the school. And then he was waiting very, he was exciting for this day because it is the first day after summer vacation. He was waiting at the school gate for his friend, and his friend was Sadiq. So when he met his friend Sadiq, he greeted him and asked that how were the holidays. Then Sadiq has also done a lot in his vacation. He smiled, he he had a broad grin, and he said that he had done a lot in his vacation. He and his sister had joined karate class and they have learned different kicks and punches. Let us see in the next paragraph. They entered the classroom soon. Mrs. Sen, their teacher, came in. Roshan and Sadiq greeted her with others. The teacher asked how they had spent their holidays. The teacher pointed at Roshan. Hello, Roshan. You told me that you would go to Samarpur in Rajasthan during the holidays. How was the trip? Roshan said it was great, but I was worried because there was an acute shortage of water. My uncle, aunt, and cousin lived there. Many wells had dried up. The water level in our well had also gone down. Some women had to walk up to 5 kilometers to fetch water. Sadiq looked surprised. He joined the conversation. But I am sure there are tube wells in the villages. Roshan agreed, "You are right, but if the level of water really goes down, the tubes are also of no use." So, so once these two friends met and talked about their vacation, they visited to their classroom and they said they have seen that their class teacher Mrs. Sen has just entered. They all greeted to their teacher and teacher asked to Roshan that I heard that you have visited to Samarpur in Rajasthan during your holiday. So how was your trip? She asked this question to Roshan. So Roshan told that it was great, but he was worried, he was scared because there was a shortage of water. My uncle, aunt, and cousin lives there. He said that his uncle, aunt, and his cousins live in Samarpur in Rajasthan. So he is worried about them because there is shortage of water in that place. And he also added some more information that wells had dried up there. The tubes are not of use anymore because the water level has gone really down. And the women who are living in Samarpur, they have to walk up to 5 kilometers to just get the water. So the condition in Samarpur is very worse. The people who are living in Samarpur are not getting much water. So he shared the condition of Samarpur, and his friend was also listening. His friend Sadiq was also listening. So he was saying that, but there are tubes, so people will get the water from tubes. So Roshan said that he added the information that the water level has gone down, that that is why the tubes are not of use. The teacher spoke now. Children, I told you all to collect information about water shortage, its causes, and ways of conserving water. I'm sure you all have done that. But before we talk about it, I want you all to read what I have written on the poster. So teacher has pointed toward the poster, that what was written on the poster. Before going to talk about water shortage, as she has given this project to everyone to find the causes and ways of conserving water. The children looked at the poster. She continued after a few minutes, "Now will you all remember this?" "Yes, ma'am," said the children. "Mitra, what do you have to say about water scarcity?" Teachers turned to him. So now the teacher has started asking one by one by calling students' name. So first she asked Mitra, and Mitra answered, "Here is a list I have made. I will read it out now. Delhi also has acute water shortage. The water level in the Yamuna had gone down in summer. People in many parts used to get water supply for only an hour during the day. To overcome the shortage, they had to store water. All over the world, water shortage is an ever growing problem. The situation is improving now after the rains." So teacher has told all the students to make a project. She has told student to uh, do a project on save water, save the world. So now the summer vacation is over. So she was asking all the students what information they have collected. So Mitra answered about Delhi. He told all this information. "You have mentioned the details of the situation clearly now. Sadiq, give us some points about ways to save water in our homes. So Mitra has shown the situation of water shortage. Now Sadiq is going to tell the point about how we can save water. Yes, ma'am, said Sadiq. Sadiq got up and read out the following points from a sheet. We should use a bucket for bathing. We should turn off the taps tightly after use. We can use water we can use water used for washing vegetables and fruits to water the plants. We can grow plants in our garden that need less water. So these are the important points Sadiq shared to save water. We can use bucket for bathing. Instead of running the tap, we can use water only just how much it is necessary for us. Okay. Then he said that we should tightly turn off the taps after use. And then he also said that used we can use water used for washing vegetables and fruits to water the plants. When we wash our vegetables and fruits, that water should not be thrown away. That water should be used to water the plants. So these are the very necessary points Sadiq shared. Let us move to another point which he said. The washing machine and dishwasher should be used only when they are full. All the pipes and taps should be checked for any leak. So these are the points to save water. And now let us move to another paragraph. Those are very important points, Sadiq. Now Nisha can also share some points with the class, said the teacher. So now it is time for Nisha to talk about water conservation. So Nisha got up. Yes, sure, ma'am. Here are some of the important points mentioned in my list. We should water the plants before 9 am or after 7 pm. The soil will stay wet for longer this way. It helps to save water. Use a bucket instead of bathtub or bathing. So these are some important points which Nisha highlighted. Now Sadiq got up next and said, I read in the newspapers that people have started rain water harvesting in many places. The government is also helping the people in this matter. The teacher then said, children, all the above points are important. There are many reasons that have caused water shortage. What are they? Sadiq said, I would like to share some points here. So Sadiq stand up and he just wanted to share those points, that what are the causes of water shortage. Many trees have been cut down and many new high-rise buildings are being built. Water is also used for building new malls and hotels. Due to such activities, the groundwater level has gone down. So these are the causes of water shortage shared by Sadiq, and they were really important. Children, we all know that cutting tree is not a solution. If we cut forest, we will lose many things, because forests are the lungs of our earth or mother earth. If we cut forest, our mother earth won't be able to breathe, she won't be able to survive. So Cutting trees and building high rise buildings is also a cause of water shortage. And then malls and hotels are built and water is used in that also. Due to such activities, the water level has gone down. So due to all these things, water is lacking. The teacher said, "You all have found important details about water shortage and shared them with the class. Remember, water is important for every form of life on our planet. Yes, it is important for all human beings and for all creatures. It is not just a need of human beings. As you all know that water is necessary for all creatures. So we should save water and we should use water in for necessity. We should not waste water. If we save water, only then we can save our world. Okay, children?